Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's Donna, the Blissful Planner. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. If you enjoy the content, I hope that you will consider subscribing to this video. Today, I have a currently page from my dashboard planner. I've whited out, put down a little bit of washi, and I think I used a little bit of everything in this box. I wouldn't swear to every little thing that I did use, but I'm pretty sure that I used my colorful shapes. I did use some things out of my pressed florals, memory keeping, dates and holidays, and I think that may be it. And the oh, and I did use some stuff out of Best Year Ever. So let's get started on our currently page. I went ahead and took the liberty to do a little bit of light whiting out. I did pre-pull, quick shot, and I'm using my currently page. I'm going to theme that up to be, of course, the green for St. Patty's Day, and I hope that you guys will like this because I think it's sort of cute. This one's going to be one that I can really try to put things into high gear and get my goal, and I may end up killing myself doing it, but it's important to me, is I do want to increase the amount of videos that I'm posting. I want to, there's a lot of things I have bouncing around in my head that I really think is going to be some cute stuff, and I also want to make myself available to my community. If you have questions on how to do things, I want to be able to do like Q&As and things like that. So anyway, I'm going to knock that down a little bit, make sure that's on there good and tight. I did just use some whiteout, the liquid, because I'm out of everything under the sun. I'm going to cover up the notes and ideas here with this green box that says next month, same dreams. That's going to go right there. What do you know? Actually put a sticker down straight. And I'm going to cover this with the Dream Big. And then I'm going to put some little accents. I used all different hues of green. I'm not really into St. Patrick's Day per se, but I do love the chance to, do colors, like everybody does red for Valentine's Day and so on and so forth. And I just like green. I think it's a really pretty color, and it is also going to kick off to the first day of spring. Thank you, Jesus. We're just about there, guys. We're just about there. I tell you, I love cold weather, and I love winter and fall and spring. I hate summer. I know, I'm weird, but I hate summer. I just am so over this winter right now. I'm ready to move on. And I'm sure you are too. And, my heart is going out to those. We had a pretty significant little ice storm in West Virginia. And, I hope everybody is safe. Texas was hit so badly. I'm just, my heart goes out to those folks in Texas and all of the horrible things that have recently happened there, with the pileups and stuff like that. And it's sad. So my prayers and thoughts are with you guys. And, for those of you that lost loved ones, I'm so sorry. So I'm just trying to keep stuff sort of all over the place, but still functional, I think. And I'm notorious for not being aware that sometimes I get all caught up in the decorating, and we must remember it still needs to be functional. I mean, like if you're just decorating a planner to be decorating a planner, great, you know, more power to you. But, you know, it is functional. I mean, it's, you know, why have a planner if it's not going to, you know, help you be more organized? And on here, I just did notate, you know, my payday periods. I put the little rainbow. I'm going to put down some more little shamrocks. I love shamrocks. I love me some shamrocks. Those are so cute. I wish we were able to sort of wear scrubs where I work, where you could do like the different scrub tops and stuff. But we're not allowed to do that because, you know, our company is a corporate company, so that's not going to fly. So let's put that over here. We just keep it simple, you know, plus it makes it super easy to identify, you know, who's a nurse, who's not a nurse, yada, yada. Okay. Put my St. Patrick's Day down there. One more little, I love these little dots. I just think this gave the spread a little extra definition, just depth, having these little dots. And I really, really, really like how cute they are. I just love that. I think it gives it a little pop. Now, let's see if I can get all this off of here. Alrighty, it's going to pull off the way I had hoped, thank God, because y'all know me. Let's go ahead and layer it on the wax paper. Yeah, like that's a smart idea. Okay, I'm going to put this one right there. This one is going to go right here. This one's going to go right there. I want to this one may end up going right, because I want this one to go right here. So let's go ahead and put that one down and see what we're going to have left. Oh, well, what do you know? And we're going to put that one. And now we have all kinds of functional boxes down through there to put anything you want on your currently. It could be, you know, currently watching, whatever, currently reading, currently, you know, gutting my kitchen, whatever. So you can do it that way, or you can just put to-do list, groceries, chores, things like that, or appointments that you need to remember, things like that. So I put plenty of functionality. There's plenty of room for functionality on here. And I think I'm actually going to take my green mild liner and I'm going to make little bullets, just because I think it'll add another layer of interest there. Like I said, and things don't have to be perfect. I mean, I do strive to make my spreads pretty and to try to get them, you know, as perfect as possible for you guys. But I also want you to know that, you know, when you're new, like me, that's part of the process. It's part of the process. And it's part of my process for you guys to see me not always have perfect spreads. You know, it's part of my process. And so that you see that, you know, some days they turn out great and some days they are just okay. And that's okay. So, I hope you enjoyed this March 2021 currently page out of my dashboard planner, classic size. And again, I used the boxes from the colorful shapes, and I used some out of Pressed Florals, memory keeping, dates and holidays, and best year ever. So, I hope that you all have a blessed rest of your day. I hope you enjoyed the spread. I hope you'll consider giving me a thumbs up if you liked what you saw here today. And I also hope that you will consider subscribing for new content and stick around a while and just get to know me. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember to be blessed, be safe, and be kind. Bye, guys.